So basically, what we're doing is choosing some locations around the world, and with these locations, we put them inside these balloons. Everyone's gonna have one shot at the balloon. So basically, there's a location somewhere around the world. If you're looking here and it says, you know, Greenland, there might not be Greenland here. If you look at Hawaii and you think you're shooting at Hawaii, it might not be Hawaii. It might be like Afghanistan or Zimbabwe or somewhere where you can get, you know, a good disease. The name of the thing is gonna come out, the country. We're gonna put it in the hat. So then one guy from each team is gonna pull from the hat where they're gonna be going. So each team's gonna end up going somewhere that they pull out of this hat. So basically you pull out, what, Saudi Arabia or something like that, you're going. This is gonna be fucked. This is gonna be pretty crazy, but so let's get started.
That's it, it's ready?
I think so. All right, oh my God. I can't read it, it's too hard of a word. Mongolia. Oh shit, dude! Norway. Oh shit! Hello! Oh shit! Okay, we're gonna get Ernie up here first for the second group to pull out of this hat. And you better pull something fucking good. This is where you're going, dude. Come on, Ern.
Oh man, don't think Come on, Ern. Come on, dude.
Where?
Norway.
Come on, Dennis. You got this one? Mongolia. So Mongolia in February. Well, write those down so they can't dispute this. All right, so the last of the crew is Huff. Max over here.
All right, gotta get something good.
Whoa! Hawaii!
You cheated!
Hey!
Hawaii!
We picked Hawaii!
No one even got Hawaii.
You'll see the trips later on. You'll see the trips in the mags. You'll see the trips in the movies. So this is fucking the fun shit. All this shit. This is for reals, you guys. I'm serious. This is gonna be a fucking sick trip.